Hi everyone! Is it too hot or too much work to cook? Please try steaming. Steaming is very simple and easy. And if you don't have a steamer, also I'm going to list my video for how to steam without steamer. And today I'm going to share with you steamed glass noodles with baby Napa cabbage. The ingredients are also super simple. Let me show you. So I have 1 pack of glass noodles, also known as vermicelli, and I soaked about 10 minutes. Again, this is a dry form, so just under 2 ounces. And I also have chopped green onions and chopped garlic, roughly chopped. It's 8 garlic cloves. You can add more, so it needs a lot of garlic. And this is baby Napa cabbage. So I call it baby Napa cabbage. I guess one thing is because they're smaller than regular Napa cabbage, right? And also they're more crisp. So I just have 2 pieces and just need to remove the end. And I'm going to wash them. Now I'm going to just wash the Napa cabbage a couple times, make sure they're all clean. They might be sandy. Now my Napa cabbage already triple washed. I'm going to just cut in smaller pieces. Can I cut in half? That. If you don't have baby Napa cabbage, you can use regular Napa cabbage. This last piece. Now we just put them in the bowl. I know it looks a lot. Trust me, they're going to cook down. Don't worry to pile them up. There's the last piece. Now we just put glass noodles in the middle. Like that. And we put some green onions. Next, we're going to fry our garlic. I'm heating up the saucepan and just add some oil. And we're going to fry our garlic. Take a few minutes till they're golden brown. After about 3 minutes, you can see our garlic is golden brown. Beautiful. But just make sure you don't burn them. And now we add to our noodles and Napa cabbage. Frying the garlic really adds flavor. But if you don't want to fry, I would not blame you. But this is a recipe inspired by a dish I ate at a restaurant. Now we just add some soy sauce. This is seasoned soy sauce, but if you don't have it, just use regular soy sauce. And we're ready to steam. Now the water is boiling. Let's put our steamer in and a bowl. into the steamer. Cover it. Go in. Like I said, yeah, right now it's a lot, but it's going to cook done. You just add some weight on top, push down. There we go. And we're going to steam about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our dish should be ready now. Ta-da! And we just garnish with more green onions. See how much the cabbage cooked done? Yeah. Wow. Smells so good. Fried garlic. Ready to try?
I'm ready.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's delicious. Oh, the garlic is beautiful.
I know. Big difference, right?
Yeah.
When you fry it.
Wow.
Such a simple dish. Please try steaming. And also the glass noodles, aka vermicelli. So versatile, right? You can steam it, can put in the soup, salad. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.